Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot forms connected to Softr step by step clearly. To download HubSpot forms connected to Softr, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your HubSpot dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Marketing and then select Lead Capture. In the drop-down menu, choose Forms. Locate the specific form you want to download. Click on the name of the form to open its details. In the top right corner, look for the Actions button. Click on the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Export from the drop-down options. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose the format for the export. Choose the desired file format, typically CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to initiate the download. Wait for the export process to complete. Once it's done, a download link will be emailed to you or automatically download, depending on your settings. Next, log into your Softr account. Navigate to the specific application where your HubSpot form is integrated. Locate the section where the HubSpot form is embedded. Check if there are any settings related to data management or integrations. Ensure the data from the forms is syncing correctly with Softr. If you need to download form responses directly from Softr, navigate to the appropriate data section. Find the HubSpot integration in the Softr dashboard. Click on Data to view the responses collected from the form. Look for the Export option within that data section. Select your preferred file format for this data export. Click on the Export button to download the responses. Once both downloads are complete, check your device for the files. Review the downloaded files to ensure they meet your needs. Now you have successfully downloaded your HubSpot forms connected to Softr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.